15 reasons having business credit is a must for every successful company, and how not having it will cost you. Business credit is credit in a business name linked to the business's employment identification number. This is credit for a business. It's not linked to the owner personally. It's also not linked to their personal Social Security number. Using business credit, a business owner can get vendor credit cards, high-limit accounts with most major retailers, fleet credit, and cash credit, including Visa and MasterCard. Get approved for business credit accounts regardless of personal credit quality. When you build business credit the right way, there is no Social Security number supplied on the application. With no SSN supplied, there is no personal credit pool. Because of this, a business owner can get high-limit business credit accounts. This is regardless of personal credit, no matter how bad it may be. Personal credit quality does not matter. Reason number 8. Business credit increases the value of a business. Consider two businesses that have been in business for 5 years and are the same in every way except Company A has no business credit profile and score and is being recommended for no credit. But on the other hand, Company B has 10 trade lines reporting, an excellent business credit profile and score, $52,000 in available credit to help with growth, and is being recommended for $42,000 in credit from the business reporting agencies. Anyone who has sold or bought a business knows the importance of business credit. Knowing how easy extensive credit and financial information is to get for a company, if you were a buyer, wouldn't you get it? Would you want to buy this company from what you see on the business report? Is the company established? Do they pay their bills? Do they look like a successful company? Reason number 9. Business credit quality determines loan approval and terms. There is no Fair Credit Reporting Act in the business world. There's no requirement that those who review business credit provide a notification that they did. They don't have to let on that it was used in their lending decision. So even though it's always reviewed, most business owners have no idea that it is. And even high-risk merchant cash advance loan decisions are partially based on business credit quality. It's impossible to get an SBA loan without having established business credit. Let's recap. There are a lot of reasons business credit can help any business. It's independent of personal credit, so using it doesn't affect utilization rate. It can be built quickly. Since anyone can see business credit reports, building business credit bolsters your reputation with suppliers, customers, and even competitors. Business credit protects your personal assets and doesn't require personal guarantees. Business credit increases the value of a business, and it determines loan approval and quality. It effectively doubles your borrowing ability and has very high limits. Even startups can get it with no financials or collateral. It is a huge competitive advantage and is the best way to fund a business. Big established companies use it. Why shouldn't you? Build business credit before you really need it, and it can only help you. Contact us today to learn more about 15 reasons having business credit is a must for every successful company and how not having it will cost you.